This is a pen mouse. It's the strangest mouse I've ever used. And this looks like a normal mouse. It's actually a split structure. The function is very rich. I will also give you a detailed explanation after the video. In this video, I experienced several strange mice at my own expense. That video didn't have any advertising. I'd like to share with you how to use these mice, whether it works or not. Welcome everyone. After watching the video, choose the one you find most interesting. Well, let's not talk too much. We are now officially starting. The first mouse we shared was the pen mouse at the beginning of the video. This is done by a company called Sanwa Supply. It is said that it is designed so that people can use the mouse in a smaller space. The weight of the whole mouse is really not very heavy. It is similar to holding a pen if you use it at ordinary times. This part of the pen tip is the sensor that detects movement. When you use it at ordinary times, it is the left key. Measured daily long-term operation will not be easy to touch. To realize the double-click function, press the button on the thumb side. The right button and the pulley are all operated by the index finger. The official selling price of this pen is $299. It can only be said that it only takes into account the design of right-handed mice, in case you're a left-handed mouse man. There is no way to operate this mouse smoothly. So this design out of 5. How many points do you think you can score? The second mouse is the relatively common Apple mouse. The one I have is the latest CCO version. This mouse has been criticized the most for two things. The first point is that ergonomic design is not very useful. This is not particularly obvious to me when I use it. Maybe because my hands are small, I feel that the daily use of Apple has been specifically considered for this sliding operation. The mouse material of this shiny glass, I feel more comfortable to the touch every day. However, the second point that makes everyone very uncomfortable is the way it is charged, because its charging port is at the bottom. As a result, there is no way to use this mouse during daily charging, and how to put the mouse when charging is also a big problem. Well, I don't really understand this design, because most of the mouse on the market is either in front of the C port, or is the design of the battery. Including Apple's own earliest wonderful control mouse is the design of battery replacement. Then I've added a bootleg guard here. The mouse I use most often is actually this Apple's wonderful control board. That works with Apple's system. It is very convenient to operate or cut videos every day. However, I don't recommend playing games with it. If everyone is good. And how I use the touchpad as the main mouse. This video has received 20,000 praises. I will also make a separate video later to have a detailed chat. The price of this wonderful control board is 1,049 yuan. The price of the mouse is 699 yuan. Do you think the mouse and touchpad of Apple's two wonderful control families are worth it? This is the wireless mouse of the Angry Meow survival car. Its hollowed-out shape is very electric. The overall weight is also very light. The hand is also very good. The most interesting design of this mouse, I think it's the battery. Because its battery is stuck to the bottom by means of separate magnetic attraction, it is also very convenient to change the battery every day. What's more clever is that the place where its battery is charged is its mouse receiver. In terms of overall design, I think it's still very clever. The mouse is still in advance. The pre-sale price is $890. What about the video here? Will anyone pay for this design? If you can buckle the barrage. I think this mouse is still too expensive. Can barrage buckle too? That last product is a split mouse from Chairdos 2. It looks like a very designed mouse. It's normally used on the table. The position of this button is somewhat similar to that of Apple's wonderful control mouse. It can serve the function of a touchpad. And this button, the touchpad itself, it can be removed, usually can be held in the hands of the suspended mouse. When talking about PPT, there is also the function of a laser pointer. It can be said to be very practical. However, it still needs to be learned as the operating logic of the mouse alone. There is some difficulty in getting started. The basic version of this mouse is priced at 299 yuan. If you have deep pockets, the price can also buy some mouse with recording or AI function. Then as a mouse itself, I think the appearance design is still very good. I think it is also very close to the trend of the times to buy a built-in AI version to give away. That's all for this video. I don't know which of these mice is the most interesting. That's welcome to vote in the comments section. I personally use the most besides the touchpad every day. Maybe it's this angry mouse. I think it's still very cool for him to play games. Since I bought these products, I also push all kinds of alien digital products online. I don't know what else people want to see. You can also post digital products that you usually find strange in the comment area. Maybe I'll buy it later. But if you want to see more technology and digital video, remember to praise, then focus on my account. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the video.